Technical specification of JioPhone 2. Network technology: true 4G, LTE support, VoLTE, HD voice call, video call support. LTE bands supported: Band 3, 1800, Band 5, 850, LTE TDD Band 40, 2300. 2G bands, band 2 1900, /band 3 1800, band 5 850, band 8, 900. Display screen size, 6.09 cm, 2.4 inch. Screen type, TFT screen. Screen resolution, QVGA 320x240. Connectivity: Wi-Fi, 802.11 BGN. Bluetooth, BT 4.1 with BLE. GPS. USB connectivity, USB 2. NFC. Platform operating system, KaiOS. CPU, 1 GHz dual-core processor. Battery capacity, 2000 mAh, Li-ion. Talk time, about 6 hours. Standby time, about 150 hours. Memory: internal memory, 4 GB, RAM, 512 MB. Expandable, up to 128 GB. Camera: rear camera, 2 MP. Front camera, 0.3 MP. Video recording, yes. Multimedia: music player, yes. Wireless FM radio, yes. Video player, yes. Loudspeaker, yes. Alert type, ringtone and vibration. Indian language support: 22 Indian languages: Assamese, Bengali, Bodo, Dogri, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Maithili, Malayalam, Manipuri, Marathi, Nepali, Oriya, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Santhali, Sindhi, Tamil, Telugu and Urdu. Apps support: Jio Apps, MyJio, Jio Music, Jio TV, Jio Cinema, Jio Express News, Voice Assistant, Jio Video Call, Jio Games, etc. Jio Store, more apps can be downloaded from Jio Store app. Features: Voice Assistant, your personal voice assistant with voice-enabled search, English, Hindi, Marathi, Gujarati, Bengali, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, compose SMS, search on Google, open app, call contact, and much more. Connect to TV, connect to CRT TV, Smart TV, etc. using Jio Media cable, to be bought as separate accessory. Browser, 4G internet browsing. Other features: torch, calculator, alarm, calendar, gallery, etc. Box contents: handset, removable battery, charger adapter, Jio SIM card. Other details: SIM slot, dual SIM, slot 1, active Jio SIM, and slot 2, any other operator 2G SIM. SIM size, nano SIM, 4FF type. Color, black. Other compatible accessories: 1.